Hello folks and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you extremely easy way how you can edit PDF files. You don't need anything extra like installing some kind of software or stuff. All you have to do is just open your browser and type Google Docs. Once you type that, the first result on the search is gonna be Google Docs free online document editor. We're gonna click on it and we're gonna see this Google Docs that we are seeing at the moment. If you don't have account already in Google, you have to make one. It's completely free. After you do that and you see this screen, we're gonna click on here blank on the plus. So we're gonna create a new document file and it's gonna load this kind of editor that we have here, that we can type text and we can format the text. We can do all kind of stuff. After that, we just go file, open, and we're gonna upload our PDF file from our computer that we want to edit. For example, I have two PDF files. One is like New Year one that have pictures. I'm gonna show you. Let me just see. One is this one that it have pictures on it. So this Google Docs is capable of opening PDF files with pictures inside, and of course a standard PDF file with just a text. So we're gonna open this one that have pictures inside, because most of the PDFs nowadays have pictures. So we're gonna click open and we're gonna wait for it to be uploaded and it's gonna open. If for some reason here on the middle of your screen you don't have the options open with Google Docs, all you have to do is just go back and repeat the process. So we have file, open, upload, select a file from your PC and click on the PDF file that you want to open. After you do that, these options here is going to be available to you, so you want to click on it and you're going to have to wait, like depending how big the PDF file is. Sometimes it would be like 20-30 seconds to minute if it's like 50 pages or so. So once we do that, as we can see here, we can go and just straight up type text inside this PDF file. Here, some of the text around the picture is not on the correct spot. That's not a problem. We can easily manage that with few options. As we can see here, we're just gonna do that, and the text is going below the picture. So it's like that. You can do your normal stuff like bold. You can do underscore, underline, I mean, whatever you want to do, you can do. You can delete text, you can add text, space, whatever you want to do, you can do it here. And once you finish with editing your PDF file, all you have to do is just hold Ctrl+P and print the file as PDF. It doesn't matter if you choose Microsoft Print to PDF or save as PDF, the file is going to be saved as PDF. So we're going to choose this option. That's a built-in option in Google Chrome. So save as PDF, we're going to go here, type the New Year and just type 1, I guess. And just like that, we save everything that we made changes inside this PDF. So if we go where the files are, we're going to see this New Year one PDF file. When you open it, you see that the file is PDF and the changes that we made are inside the file. So this is how you edit PDF files in extremely easy way. If you click here on this video, you will see how you can save every text with every text program that you have as a PDF. And I hope I'm gonna see you next time.